Hey everyone, 2025 Suzuki GX marks a bold step forward for the brand, combining futuristic design, hybrid performance, and practical features tailored for the modern driver. As Suzuki continues to redefine its position in the global automotive market, the GX emerges as a symbol of innovation, efficiency, and versatility wrapped in a compact SUV silhouette. It's aimed at urban adventurers and small families looking for a smart, stylish, and eco-friendly vehicle without breaking the bank. Right from the first glance, the GX stands out with a distinctive exterior design. The front end features a wide grille framed by sleek LED headlights that give the car a confident, aggressive look. Sharp character lines run along the sides, blending into a muscular rear that showcases modern tail light clusters and a sculpted bumper. Aerodynamic accents and bold wheel arches give the GX a dynamic presence on the road, while the higher ground clearance hints at its off-road capabilities, making it equally at home in the city and on weekend getaways. Inside, the 2025 Suzuki GX offers a cabin that balances comfort and functionality. Suzuki has taken a minimalist yet modern approach with a driver-focused layout, clean surfaces, and premium materials that elevate the overall feel. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large floating touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster and intuitive steering wheel controls ensure the driver stays connected and in command. Smart storage spaces, foldable rear seats, and a spacious trunk make it practical for daily commutes and longer trips alike. Under the hood, the GX is expected to feature Suzuki's next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining a fuel-efficient petrol engine with an electric motor to deliver improved mileage and lower emissions. While exact performance specs are yet to be officially released, early reports suggest a smooth, responsive driving experience with excellent fuel economy, potentially upwards of 25 km/h in real-world conditions. The hybrid setup also allows for brief all-electric driving in low-speed situations, ideal for traffic-heavy urban environments. Suzuki's refined suspension and light steering add to the car's agile nature, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Safety and technology are also strong points for the GX. It's equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features, combined with a rigid body structure and multiple airbags, ensure peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. The car also supports connected car technology, offering remote vehicle monitoring, navigation assistance, and real-time vehicle diagnostics through a dedicated smartphone app. What makes the 2025 Suzuki GX particularly exciting is its ability to offer so much value in a compact and affordable package. It targets a broad demographic: young professionals, small families, and eco-conscious drivers, who want a car that reflects their lifestyle. With its futuristic looks, efficient hybrid engine, tech-loaded cabin, and everyday practicality, the GX is poised to become one of Suzuki's most popular offerings in the years to come. The GX doesn't just follow the trends, it sets them. It's a fresh chapter in Suzuki's legacy, proving that the brand can evolve with the times while staying true to its core values of reliability, simplicity, and affordability. As it heads toward production, the 2025 GX is already creating buzz and capturing attention as a compact SUV built for the future.